Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the AUXTUR Tripod Clothes Drying Rack, a versatile and efficient solution for all your laundry needs. This innovative drying rack features 360 degrees rotatable arms with quadruped support and protective hanger tails, allowing you to air dry up to 27 pieces of clothing effortlessly, making it perfect for garments of all sizes and shapes. Its space-saving design includes a bottom pulley for easy movement, and it's foldable for convenient storage, eliminating the hassle of bulky traditional drying racks. Crafted from high-quality materials, this durable yet lightweight drying rack is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, whether you're at home or on a camping trip. The AUXTUR drying rack promotes air circulation for faster drying times, making it ideal for everything from delicate sweaters to heavy towels. Its versatility extends beyond drying, as it can also be used to organize your wardrobe or as a garment rack while ironing. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the AUXTUR clothes drying rack and transform your laundry routine today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.